Shut up and sit down.
Hello and welcome to another North Wales side-by-side video. Something totally different today. I'm making some shelving units. I managed to get hold of some nice shelves, but I hadn't got anywhere fastening them together. So I bought some 1-inch box section, which I'm making, well, I've made some legs, which I've got some feet to go on with adjustable bottoms on them, so I can set the level of the shelf. So far managed to get two shelf units on, and I'm just about to go up to the third height. And there's the unit I'm going to use. So I'm just up here adjusting all the lengths of the 1-inch box section. It's all got to be this length. That one just a bit longer, so I'm just going to grind it down, get them all the same length. Then I can come over, there's another one there. I can start tacking it together. Initially I'm just going to put a tack in the corner here just to hold it on, because that one's all square. I've got it square that way and that way. So what I'll do is I will just tack it here, tack it there, and I'll just tack it onto the back there. That'll be plenty strong enough, because that's all I've done with the other ones. Tack here, tack here. There's another tack up there. That's all they need. You can probably see, yeah, there's another tack there, and I've done the same on them all. There's no point seam welding them. So that is my little job. A bit of welding. I'm going to go up there, finish grinding that to size, and then I'm going to fire the MIG welder up and weld them all together. I'm going to put my welding coat on.